Welcome to our channel, where we explore natural ways to heal your body, and today we focus on clearing your arteries. Imagine your arteries as vital highways transporting life through your body. But sometimes traffic jams occur due to dangerous plaque buildup. We often hear that oatmeal is good for us, but few understand exactly how to unlock its full heart healing potential. Today, we are going to transform a simple breakfast into a powerful medicine that sweeps away cholesterol and protects your heart. You do not need expensive supplements to achieve this result, because the secret lies in adding specific ingredients to your morning bowl. We will combine 4 key ingredients that work synergistically to reduce inflammation and prevent the hardening of your vital blood vessels. Heart disease remains a leading concern globally, but dietary changes can significantly reverse the risks associated with high cholesterol levels. Let us start with the foundation of this super meal, which is the humble oat grain, known scientifically as Avena sativa. Oats are not just a filler carbohydrate because they contain a unique type of fiber that is crucial for heart health. This special fiber is called beta-glucan, and it is the primary reason why oats are recommended by cardiologists all over. When you eat oats, they dissolve in the digestive tract to form a thick gel that acts like a sticky trap. This gel binds to cholesterol-rich bile acids in the gut, preventing them from being absorbed back into your bloodstream. Your liver then has to pull more cholesterol from your blood to replenish the bile, which lowers your overall cholesterol levels. Studies have consistently shown that eating just 3 grams of soluble fiber daily can reduce total cholesterol by a significant margin. However, plain oatmeal is just the beginning, and we need to supercharge it to truly clean out those stubborn arteries. The first secret ingredient we must add is flax seeds, which are often called the most powerful plant food on the planet. These tiny seeds are absolutely packed with alpha-linolenic acid, which is a plant-based type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for fighting inflammation, which is a root cause of damage to your arterial walls. It is crucial to grind your flax seeds before eating them, because your body cannot break down the tough outer shell properly. Adding just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your oats provides a massive dose of heart protection to start your day. Regular consumption of flax seeds has been linked to lower blood pressure, which reduces the strain on your heart and blood vessels. Flax seeds are also the richest dietary source of lignans, which have antioxidant properties that further protect your cardiovascular system from stress. By reducing inflammation and blood pressure simultaneously, you create an environment where plaque is less likely to form or grow. Now let us introduce color and flavor with our second key ingredient, which is a handful of fresh or frozen berries. Berries are not just delicious toppings, but they are biological weapons against oxidative stress in your body and blood vessels. The deep blue and red colors come from anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that seek and destroy harmful free radicals. These antioxidants specifically improve the function of the endothelium, which is the delicate inner lining of your heart and arteries. When the endothelium works correctly, your blood vessels can dilate properly to control blood flow and prevent dangerous clots. Stiff arteries are a major risk factor for heart attacks, so keeping them flexible with berries is a smart strategy. Feel free to use blueberries, strawberries or raspberries, as they all contribute to a cleaner and healthier cardiovascular system. The natural sweetness of berries also helps you avoid adding refined sugar, which is a known enemy of heart health. Excess sugar causes insulin spikes and inflammation, so replacing it with fruit is a critical step for your arteries. Our third ingredient adds warmth and powerful medicinal properties, and it is the ancient spice known as cinnamon. Cinnamon is famous for its ability to help control blood sugar levels, which is directly linked to the health of arteries. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels over time, making them more susceptible to plaque accumulation and hardening. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon ensures that sugar is used for energy rather than lingering in your bloodstream. Just half a teaspoon of cinnamon a day can make a measurable difference in your lipid profile and glucose metabolism. The aroma of cinnamon also has a calming effect, which can help reduce stress levels. Another contributor to heart disease. It is best to choose Ceylon cinnamon if possible, as it contains less coumarin and is safer for daily consumption. With oats, flaxseeds, berries and cinnamon, we have built a strong defense. But we need one final component for perfection. The fourth and final layer of our superfood bowl consists of crunchy nuts, specifically walnuts or almonds. Walnuts are particularly special because they are one of the few nuts that contain a significant amount of plant omega-3. They provide healthy, polyunsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while maintaining the good cholesterol your body needs. Almonds are also an excellent choice, as they are rich in vitamin E, which prevents cholesterol from oxidizing and clogging arteries. Oxidized cholesterol is the most dangerous kind because it sticks to artery walls much more easily than normal cholesterol. Adding a small handful of these nuts gives your meal a satisfying crunch and keeps you feeling full for longer. The combination of fiber from oats and healthy fats from nuts creates a sustained release of energy throughout your morning. Now look at this bowl. It is no longer just a simple breakfast, but a comprehensive tool for cardiovascular longevity. We have combined anti-inflammatory agents, antioxidants, blood sugar stabilizers and healthy fats into one delicious and easy-to-make dish. The taste is a wonderful mix of creamy, nutty, sweet and spicy flavors that will make you look forward to breakfast. But the real magic happens inside your body, where these nutrients work tirelessly to repair and protect your vascular system. Medical experts agree that a diet rich in these specific plant foods is the most effective way to prevent atherosclerosis. This is not just about avoiding disease. It is about maintaining the vitality and energy to enjoy life as you age. If you are busy in the mornings, you can prepare this as overnight oats by soaking the ingredients in milk. This method preserves the nutrients and allows the flavors to meld together perfectly, creating a convenient grab-and-go meal. Both hot and cold preparations work equally well, so choose the one that fits your lifestyle and taste preferences best. You can use water for a lighter option, or plant-based milk like soy or almond for extra creaminess and nutrients. Be careful to avoid pre-packaged instant oatmeal packets that are loaded with artificial flavors and excessive amounts of added sugar. Always stick to plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats to ensure you are getting the whole grain benefits without additives. If you do not have flax seeds, chia seeds are a great alternative that also provide high amounts of fiber and omega-3. You can also experiment with pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds to add different minerals like magnesium and zinc to your diet. Pairing your oatmeal with a source of vitamin C can actually help your body absorb the iron from the oats better. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day because soluble fiber needs water to work effectively in your digestive system. Without enough water, increasing your fiber intake can sometimes lead to digestive discomfort. So stay hydrated to keep things moving. Consistency is the key to success with natural remedies. So try to make this breakfast a regular part of your routine. It may take a few weeks to see changes in your cholesterol numbers, but your heart will thank you immediately. Combine this power breakfast with moderate daily exercise, like brisk walking, to amplify the benefits for your cardiovascular health. Many people have successfully reduced their reliance on medication simply by changing what they eat for their first meal of the day. Swapping out a high-fat, processed breakfast for this oatmeal bowl is one of the single best decisions for your longevity. The texture helps coat the stomach lining and provides a soothing effect, which is beneficial for those with sensitive digestion. Oats are also a prebiotic food, meaning they feed the good bacteria in your gut, which influences your overall immunity. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly linked to better heart health and reduced systemic inflammation throughout the entire body. The complex carbohydrates in oats also help produce serotonin, which can improve your sleep quality and mood regulation. Reducing stress is vital because chronic stress hormones can cause your liver to produce more cholesterol than you actually need. If you want more variety, you can add diced apples, which contain pectin, another soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol. Dark cocoa powder is another great addition that improves blood flow to the brain and heart, thanks to its flavonols. This is a meal that the whole family can enjoy, setting a good example of healthy eating for your children. Teaching children to enjoy natural foods early on protects them from developing heart issues later in their adult lives. Being mindful of your ingredients is the first step towards taking control of your health destiny and preventing disease. Cooking at home allows you to control exactly what goes into your body, eliminating hidden trans fats and sodium. While we focus on cholesterol, remember that keeping sodium intake low is also essential for maintaining healthy artery walls. Our oatmeal recipe relies on spices and fruit for flavor, so there is absolutely no need to add any salt. For a spicy twist, you can grate a little fresh ginger, which is excellent for circulation and digestion, warming you up. Some people even add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper to turn their oatmeal into a potent anti-inflammatory meal. The beauty of this dish is its versatility, allowing you to rotate ingredients so you never get bored of the taste. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself if you provide it with the right raw materials every day. Every time you eat this meal, you are sending a signal to your cells to repair, regenerate, and function optimally. It is never too late to start caring for your arteries, whether you are in your 30s or your 70s. Small, consistent changes like this accumulate over time to produce massive results for your longevity and quality of life. Challenge yourself to eat this heart-healthy bowl for 30 days and observe how your energy and health improve. You might also notice improvements in your skin and hair thanks to the vitamins and healthy fats in this recipe. Nutrients that are good for your heart are generally good for your entire body, reflecting inner health on the outside. Nature has provided us with everything we need to thrive, and oatmeal is one of its most generous gifts. By respecting these natural ingredients and preparing them with care, you are showing profound respect for your own body. Take a moment each morning to eat slowly and appreciate the nourishment you are giving to your hard-working heart. Mindful eating aids digestion and helps you connect with the signals your body sends you about what it needs. To recap, simply cook your oats, add ground flax seeds, berries, cinnamon and nuts for the ultimate artery-clearing meal. This simple formula targets cholesterol, inflammation, blood sugar and oxidative stress all at once in a delicious, natural way. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with loved ones who might benefit from better heart health. Your support helps us continue our mission to bring vital health knowledge to people around the world for free. We believe that everyone deserves to live a life free from preventable diseases and full of vitality and joy. Remember to always consult with your doctor before making drastic changes, especially if you are on medication. Food is powerful medicine, but it works best when integrated into a comprehensive plan for your overall well-being. Keep moving, keep learning, and keep fueling your body with the best ingredients that nature has to offer us. A healthy heart is the engine of a happy life, allowing you to pursue your passions without physical limitations. Start your tomorrow with this superfood bowl and take the first step towards a cleaner and stronger vascular system. Oats, flax seeds, berries, cinnamon and nuts are your 5-star team for fighting back against heart disease. Every morning, do not underestimate the power of small habits because they define your health outcomes more than anything else can. Listen to your body, nurture it with love, and it will serve you well for many years to come. We hope this video has inspired you to look at your breakfast bowl in a completely new and exciting way. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us today and investing in your personal health journey. Stay tuned for more videos where we uncover the secrets of nutrition and how to live your best life. Subscribe to Peaceful Vital Health for more insights. And remember that your heart deserves the best care every single day.